we are all packed up and ready to go. Decided to go visit the Taste of the Philippines this morning down by the waterfront in San Diego. So pretty super excited. It is Filipino American Heritage Month here in the United States, the month of October. So learned something new by that. But welcome back to Livin' La Vida Tagalog. Thanks for joining us. We've also got a special guest joining us on today's journey. Say hi, Zizi. Hi, Zero. Zero just got out of the hospital and we don't want to leave her home alone, so we are bringing her along. So come join us. Check it out. We'll have fun. Guys, we're going to make a quick stop for some Starbucks. Yay! And then we're going to check out the Quick Quack car wash because this car is dirty. Needs a bath real bad.
How you doing, Zizi?
Zizi's going on an adventure. Breakfast today. Hi, good morning, Michelle. No breakfast. Can I just get a tall pike, please? Thank you. Thank you.
So we just got done with the Starbucks next door. This is where we're going right here. It's a Quick Quack car wash.
We just got some Starbucks and they have like a spooky themed version of this car wash today. This is Rowan's first time. He's never actually been into this car wash, so it should be fun.
Let's do the lucky duck.
So did they check you in or something?
Yeah, so they have your license plate number on file because you can get a membership and do like unlimited car washes for the whole
What's that
month.
wheel?
I don't know. I don't want to do the wheel.
No. So which one are you doing?
The better.
To the right.
I know. Alright, so we're hands-free. We are now officially in the Quick Quack car wash. Rowan?
Look up, Rowan.
Where's the lights, Case?
Look up, Rowan.
Whoa, Rowan. Oh, that blue light's beautiful.
Rowan, look.
Almost done.
That was epic, guys.
Did you enjoy the car wash, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think, Case?
I like it because you can do that, and then you can come out here and you can vacuum with like the super high-powered vacuum. They have the nose sprayers, so you can spray out all the water everywhere, and you can like do a full-on cleaning of your car. So, got our Starbucks. We are on our way to the Taste of the Philippines Festival down at Waterfront Park in San Diego. It is actually put on by the House of the Philippines that we tried to go find when we were at Balboa Park a few weeks back.
Yeah, we did.
We did find it. We did find it. It was closed. Right, Rowan? So we're going to go check out this Taste of the Philippines Festival and see what that's like. So there's supposed to be a lot of different Filipino food vendors there. So I think we're going to try to eat Kuya's weight in food. Let's go. Okay, so we're out here at the Waterfront Park in San Diego. We actually just parked the car and we are walking over to the Taste of the Philippines Festival. Unfortunately, I got a little guy with an allergy issue right now and he is just a sneezy mess this morning. So hopefully he will, a little sunshine might help. And we've got Zizi in a stroller
And now I can't.
because she's still a little weak and not walking too well, but we didn't want to leave her at home, obviously, with her having been sick for the last few days. We wanted to make sure that we were keeping a good eye on her, so we brought her some snacks, some water, her stroller, and we're gonna get out here and get ourselves some tasty treats and snacks. So October, interestingly enough, is Filipino American History Month here in the US. Did a little research and found out, I guess that was officially adopted for the month of October back in 2009. So Congress recognized it as Filipino American History Month for October. Another cool fact that I learned is that the state of California has the Filipino population is the third largest ethnic population behind Hispanics and African Americans. So I thought that was a pretty cool and interesting fact as well. And then the last fun fact for you is that Filipinos are the second largest Asian American population here in the United States. So they everywhere. But check this out. We are so excited. I saw that. This is pretty cool, Case. They have a Parol Lantern Festival. This is how I end every one of my videos. Ingat till next time. Very cool.
Thank you.
I love it. Oh, look at the little pins. There's a Jollibee, honey. You see that? The ice cream bucket with the lunch inside. And then this is the cookie bucket. And inside is actually a sewing kit. Love it.
You want a pencil? They're free.
Ooh, yes, we could use pencils all the time.
Okay, you want one? They got this cool stickers right here.
3.
Okay.
A lot of nice
They're
stuff.
all blankets.
Some pins.
It's a little red horse beer pin.
There's a red horse. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Maybe I need to get up closer, huh? Looks like we've got, I don't know if you can hear me, but there's a little beer garden over here. Alright, so I don't know if y'all can hear me because the music's super loud, but it's pretty cool. They got some dancers out here, like a dance crew, and then people out there that are dancing along with them. Bunch of different vendors, different merchandise, all, you know, Filipino themed everything. And then there's a whole like line of tents over here that are like legit like all the food. So we're about to get that today. Oh, poor Kuya. I'm excited. All right, so here are all of our food options. We've got Leah's Lumpia, roll lines, I hope I'm saying that right. I see a Halo Halo bar. Who's gonna want that? Bao buns, dumplings, Papa's polvoron, homemade cookies, cane juice. I wonder if they have buko juice, watermelon. Oh, we're gonna have to get some of those. All things food. Gabina's cuisine. It must be delicious because we have a very long line over here. There's lumpia ladies. They got veggie there, so that's good. Smoothies, boba. Ooh, these look like little buko pies. Yep, we're gonna have to get some of those. Coffee. You probably can't hear me anymore. SISIG Tacos, SISIG
You know, we have
Alright, so I just walked over to Juicy Cane.
Jeepney. I saw jeepney back there.
I got this beautiful
Law enforcement booth.
dragon
so to the
fruit
left,
cane
my left.
juice.
So if you are interested, there are some booths there to give you some more information. I saw a booth for San
Mmasarap.
Diego Loyal.
Yeah, what flavor did you get?
Coconut. It's so good.
Give me one of
So
them.
a lot happening here today.
what flavor did
we are
you
getting
get?
ready for the next performance.
Strawberry. Is it delicious?
Yeah.
Alright. It is hot out here. We were not expecting the weather to be like this hot right now, but we're all kind of like boiling, sweating, burning up. I've got bagoong fried rice with an egg, sinigang ramen and some SISIG Tacos. I've also got an order of lumpia being prepared right now, some gulai, and some shrimps. So those will be out soon, but we're gonna eat. SISIG Tacos.
Not the big ones.
Mmm.
I want normal tacos.
It's like just the right mix of crispy, crunchy porkiness, and then there's like sort of like a sriracha mayo on the top. So good. It's delicious. I'll pick up my lumpia. Hi, is the gulai and the shrimp ready yet? Up next.
They're cooking right now.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Well, what do you think? They put Fruity Pebbles on it instead of regular Rice Krispies. Isn't that an amazing idea? So good. Alright, so we just finished kind of eating. The boys have their halo halo. And so we're gonna walk through, look at the little vendors, like the shop vendors and stuff, and see if there's any ways to support local small businesses. And yeah, there's some entertainment happening. Maybe pick up a couple of hats. We got a little bit of a traffic jam here with the
She just
kids.
came back from a vet hospital. She was there for 3 days.
So there's some kind of art display over here where they have like all these different boards, and it looks like kids put together almost like reports on different things having to do with Filipino American history. So very, very cool. There's a lady out here who's painting right now. Wow, it's beautiful. And oh, they're cork hats. Cork hats over there. Cork hats. They've got the bamboo sunglasses. Love it. So there's this really cool, like snake head looking sculpture over here that we're gonna walk over to because I want to check it out. I'm hoping there's a little, like a placard or something there that tells me what it's all about. But also, this is a very cool plant. What is that? Ta-da! Here is, wow. What is that? Nikki de Saint Faye serpent tree. Wow. That is amazing. Alright, it's gotten way too hot out here for us. We showed up in jeans thinking it was going to be a cool San Diego day like it was the last time. And we were very wrong. So we're all hot. We're all ready to get home. I think we might make one quick little stop on the way home. We'll see. Gotta talk about it. But I did just pick up some really adorable jewelry from this little shop right here. I got a birthday gift for my niece, and some things for me too. So can't wait to show them. Look at this pretty bracelet. It says, okay, my focus is bad. Where? It says Mahal Kita. We are pretty fortunate to have all this amazing stuff. Really not that far from where we live. We definitely don't come out here as often as we probably could or should. So it's something we've been more conscientious about in terms of just getting out and exploring and enjoying all the beauty that we have available to us here in California. We are gonna head over to the car. We might make a stop on the way home. We'll see. Look what we got. We found one of only how many? Two potato corners that are like in or around our area, I guess. Southern California. There you go. But we have to drive all the way down to mall in Escondido to get it, or there's a mall in a town called Moreno Valley that's probably like, what, 40 minutes?
Little bit
30, 40
closer.
minutes from us. But we were on our way home from Waterfront Park in San Diego down at the Taste of the Philippines Festival, and we decided to stop at the potato corner here at Westfield, North County. And seriously, you can smell all that cheesiness.
We got the sour cream.
Cheese, sour cream and onion, right?
Yeah, and then
And
Rowan
then-
got some poppers.
Okay. Did you get regular?
Yeah, cool.
Okay. Regular for me, and maybe a couple for Zizi because she likes hers. Some French fries, and we got to share with Zero. So yeah, that was the little extra surprise that I said I might have for you all. But we're gonna eat a few of these fries. Sure, why not? Tastes just like they do in the Philippines. I'm not a big person on flavored fries though. These guys love them. Guys, you excited?
My favorite is cheese fries.
It's good, huh? All right, so I hope you enjoyed hanging out with us today as we went down to the Taste of the Philippines out at Waterfront Park, celebrating Filipino American History Month. Hopefully we can do something else like that. That was really fun. It was really cool. It was
Next
it was
week
just
is West Covina.
so hot out there. There's another one in West Covina next weekend, so we might take a little trip out there. I don't know. We'll see. And yeah, so thanks again for joining us, and got till next time. When did you first have potato corner?
We love potato corner. Hey, I'm taking it over. Also, guys, I found a very, very, very little poppy potato corner, and it was gross. Blech. What is wrong with you, man? Why are you insulted? I'm not insulted today. Our day. Great! And guess whose birthday it is? It's at the altitude. Come on, you spilled the beans,